share with you the $4,000 offer SEC giveaway. SEC is the cryptocurrency that you are seeing here. Their first initial word is SEC, and that would be their token. Okay, and that would be listed on, maybe already listed in the Lbank, and you need to just get this giveaway, and you need to put your Lbank UID. Okay, so if you do win inside of this airdrop, you will get some portion of this prize. Okay, $4,000. Okay, and this would be distributed by 400 among 400 people. If you be among 400 people, you will get this token like $10, maybe over $10 you will get from this offer. Okay, however, how you can join in this offer, I will show you today. So click on this offer. If you don't get this link, please check out this video's description box, where you will get my telegram link. So what we need to do is just go through your Twitter. So I'm going to go my Twitter. My phone is like somewhat hanging. I don't know what happened with my phone, because I didn't use my phone nearly 2 days. Therefore it is happening. Okay, so I'm going through the Twitter, my native Twitter apps, and here is I will show you everything about this offer. So first thing first, you need to follow up their Telegram, and here is their six and their SEC Twitter profile you need to follow, as well as Lbank Exchange. I already followed Lbank Exchanges. It is now done. Okay, so now what I need to do is second on the SEC profile pictures. I already followed, and this task has been done already. Okay, now retweet and tag three friends. I already did retweet and like their post, and now what I need to do is post your replay. So click on this post your replay, and I've already copied inside of my clipboard, and this type of a post, just write like a good project, and do three different tag. Okay, I'm showing you like this. This is my post. Okay, so like this way, do twice, and copy this exact post, and click on this again red button, retweet, and do quote to it. Okay, this second on, and while you click on the quote to it, and here is add a comment, click on this clipboard and click on the general value and click on the repost. Okay, so click on this, your repost was sent, or go to your profile. Like if you don't get this link, go to your profile, and here is what you need to do is just click on this link, click on this share link. Okay, sorry, click on this share link. Okay, inside of your profile that you did to repost, go to it exactly, and copy this link. Okay, and go inside of this offer, and here you will get the from link. Okay, ultimate from link. This from link is everything. Okay, this from link is everything for getting reward. Okay, ultimate reward. Click on this from link, and it will be opened through your browser. Okay, and because it's Google Forms, and to fill up in order to getting some money from them. Okay, so I'm doing scrolling, and here, so what you need to do is just put everything inside of here. So your email included, whatever they want from you, and here is I'm showing you. Sorry for hanging my phone. And if I do scroll here, copy your um, email here, and paste inside of this email box, and your Lbank user ID. And here we go, I already copied my Lbank user ID. If you don't have Lbank account, come into here and click on this sign up. If you don't have Lbank, click on sign up on Lbank. Okay, so click on this link, and do create your Lbank. I don't need a refer type of thing, just create and get your UID. Okay, what type of UID you will get, I don't want to share with you how to create a Lbank account. So Lbank UID is somewhat like that. Okay, LBA, something like that. Okay, click paste your thing here, and which account Lbank emails used by doing created this Lbank account. So I created Bitmart, okay. So uh, I'm putting my exact join Bitmart Telegram, that is okay, this on.
এগুলো বান্ধা আছে।
Awesome.